Morning student, this is the fourth part of your first chapter, and the name of your chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. Okay, and this is exercise 1.2. Okay, so this is the fourth question of exercise 1.2. In the exercise 1.2, this is the fourth question. Question is that Kirti bookstore sold book worth rupees 2,85,891, and here two commas. How many commas? Two commas. And you all knows after second comma which period? Lakhs period. And just after second comma, how many digits? Single digits. And which digit is here? 2. Means 2 in which place? 2 lakhs. Okay. And before lakhs, which period? 1000. And how many digits in 1000 place? In 1000 period. How many digits in 1000 period? 8 and 5. That is 85. Means 2,85,000. And before 1000 period, ones period. And here 3 digits. Which are they? 891. How we can read 891? 891. So how much rupees? 2,85,891. Okay. In the first week of the June. This is the amount of first week of the June. And books worth rupees 4,00,768. Means here is also two commas, and just after second comma only one digit. And what is the digit? 4. So 4 in which place? 4 in lakhs place. Means 4 lakhs. Before lakhs, 1000 period. Any digit in 1000 period? No. And before 1000 period, ones period. So any digit in ones period? Yes. What are they? 3 digits. What are they? 768. So how we can read 768? 768. Means the books worth rupees how much? 4,768 in the second week of the month. Okay, clear? How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? So here you have to find out how much sale comes in both the week. Okay, now second part is, in which week was the sale greater? First you find out sale together in both the days, not both the days, both the weeks. And after that you have to find out in which week sale comes larger or greater, and by how much. So in this question there are 3 parts. Okay, so which are they? First of all, you have to find out that much. What are they? Okay, so first part is, first question asks, in question 2 weeks, and you have to find out both the weeks sale of both the weeks together. How much sale? Means you have to add. So in this question you have to add. Okay, first you have to add. After that, in which week sale is greater? So second part is, you have to find out in which week sale is greater, in first week or in second week. Okay, and the third part, how much is greater? If first week is greater, so how much is greater? If second week is greater, then how much is greater? So you have to find out the 3 things in this question. Okay. Now the solution time of this question, and I already cleared you what are you have to find out. How many things you have to find out? 3 things. What are they? First, you have to add. Second, you have to find out in which week sale is greater. And third thing, after finding the week, you have to find out how much sale is greater in comparison of other weeks. Okay, so let's. So first, what you have to write? First week of June, sale of first week of June, how much? 2,85,891 means 2,85,891. Now, sale of second week of June, sale of second week of June, 4,00,768 means 4,768. Okay, so now you have to add both the weeks. So first you write down the greatest number. What is the greatest number? How you find out? Yes, because both the numbers have 6 digits. Both the numbers have 6 digits. So you have to see the left hand side of both the digits. When we see the left hand side of both the digits, in one number 2 digit and in another number 4. So which digit is greater? 4 is greater. So you have to write down the greatest number, that is 4,00,768. Now sign of addition, then write down the smaller number, that is 2,85,891. Okay, now you just start from which side? From one side, in ones period, starting from right hand side. Right hand side is ones period, and in ones period started with ones place. So which digit in ones place? Greatest number, upper number. Which digit of one side in upper number? 8, and downside number is 1. Means when we add ones digit, 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Okay, now move to tens digit. So which digit in tens place? Upper is 6 and lower is 9. And when we add 6 plus 9, it become how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you have to count how much? Second number is 9. 9 you have to count it. So you just move from 6. You have to count forward from 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total is 6 plus 9, 15. So how we can write 15? 1, 5. 1, 5, 15. But 1 is moved to 1000 place because 1 is carry. And you have to write down 5 where? In tens place. Okay. So 5 in tens place and 1 moves to 100 place, that is a carry. So now how many digits in 100 place? 3 digit. 1 number as a carry, 7 number, upper side is 7 number and down side is 8 number. So when we add these 3 number, see 1 then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total is 8. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8. Now third number is 8. So you have to count forward after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total is 16. How we can write 16? 1, 6. But here also 1 is moved to 1000 place because 1 is a carry. And where is 6? 6 in 100 place. Means 6 in 100 place, and 1 is moved to 1000 place as a carry. Now in 1000 also 3 digits. What are they? 1 as a carry, 0, upper side is 0 and down side is 5. So when we add 1, now 0. 0 means nothing you have to add. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Now third number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 0 plus 5 equals to, yes, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 10,000 place. Now here is only 2 digit. Upper side is 0 and down side is 8. When we add 0, 0 means nothing. Now you have to add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0 plus 8 equals to 8. Okay. So in 10,000 digit 8 number. Now move to lakhs place. So upper side is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down side is 2. 1 and 2. So total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number is 6. Okay. So how much was the sale of both the weeks? 6, 86, 659. Or we can say that 6,86,659 rupees. Clear it? So this is first part clear. Now, in which week was the sale greater? Okay. And the number or the rupees 4,00,768 means 4,768. In which week? Second week. That's why we write first the greatest number. So second week was the sale greater. Okay. Now third part. And by how much? And by how much? You just subtract. Because how you find out how much is greater? When you subtracted. Okay. Now you subtract. First again write down the greatest number. Greatest number is 4,768. Subtract smaller number is 2,85,891. Okay. Now again started from one side, and one side upper number is 8 and downside number is 1. When 8 minus 1 equals to 7. Now move to tens place, and upper side number is 6 and downside number is 9, and it is not possible 6 subtract 9. So what we have to do? 6 take help from the 100 place, and which digit in 100 place? 7. So 6 take help from 7, and 7 gives 1 extra number to 6. Now when 6 get 1 number, this is a 1 number or 10 number? This is a 10 number. Whenever you take borrow from other side, this is not a single digit, this is a double digit. That's why we add. If we add 1 plus 6 equals to 7. But when we take borrow from neighbor, it become 1 and 6, 16. How 1? This is not a 1. This is a 10. 10 plus 6 equals to 16. Now 16 is capable to subtract 9. And when 9 is subtract from 16, it comes 7. Okay. Now move to 100 place. And in 100 place, upside is 6 because all 100 place already give 10 number to 10 rupees to 10th place. Okay. Now 100 place upside is 6 and downside is 8. So now 100 place also facing problem because now 100 place is not capable to subtract 8 from 6. So what 100 place do? Same thing. Whatever 10th place doing. Done. Whatever 10th place done. Okay. So now same thing follow by 100 place. Now 100 place go to 1000 place. But here 1000 place, in 1000 place which digit? 0. 1000 place is not capable to give anything to 100 place. Now 1000 place and 100 place move to 10,000 place. And 10,000 place is same as 1000 place. Now all the three 10,000 place, 1000 place and 100 place move to lakhs place and take help from lakh side. Now lakhs have which digit in lakhs? 4 in lakhs. So now lakhs gives one number to 10,000 place. Okay. Now see. 10,000, which digit in 10,000? 0. And 1 comes from lakhs. So 1 and 0, 10. Now 10,000 is capable to give 1 to 1000 place? Yes. So when 10,000 give 1 to 1000 place, so which digit is left in 10,000 place? 9. Because right now it is 10 and 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. So in 10,000 place, 9 digit. Now 1000 place. When 1000 take help from 10,000 place, it become also 10. And 10,000 is also capable to give 1 to 100 place. Okay. So when 1000 place also give 1 to 100 place, so how much digit is left in 1000 place? 10 minus 1, 9. And now when 100 place also taking help from 1000 place, now 100 place is also capable because 100 place is 6 and when we take 1 from 1000 plate it becomes 16. 1 and 6, 16. And 16 is the greater number in comparison of 8. Okay. Now 16 subtract 8, it become 16 minus 8 become 8. Okay. Now move to 1000 place. Now 1000 place which number is here? 9. And 9 downside is 5. And see 9 is greater than 5. So 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 5. So where is 5? Here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we subtract 9 minus 5, how much is left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now move to 10,000 place. And in 10,000, here is also 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And downside is 8. So 9 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Now, which digit in lakhs place? 3. Why? Because lakhs help 10,000. That's why. So, before help, lakhs is 4. But after help, lakhs is 3. So, 3 is upside and downside is 2. Means 3 minus 2 is 1. So, what is the difference between the 2 weeks? 1 comma 14 comma 877, or we can say that 1,14,877. Okay, clear it? Very good. Now the fifth question. Fifth question is that find the difference. When different words is come, it means you have to subtract. Clear it? Very good. So question is, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Means here 5 digit is given, and you have to convert these 5 digit in greatest form and in smallest form. Then you have to subtract it. Okay, very good. So now the solution of this question. So student, as I already told you, first you have to convert these 5 digits into greatest form and smallest form. So now the greatest form. So which digit is greatest? 7. After 7, 6. After 6, 4. After 4, 3. After 3, 2. So we have 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Now, smallest digit. When you find out the smallest digit, it is very easy to find out the smallest digit. Which digit is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. And after 2, 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 6. After 6, 7. Okay. So we have got the smallest number or smallest digit. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Now see, we got a greatest number. Greatest number is 76, 432, and smallest number 23, 467. So we got both the digit. So now we have to move to difference, and difference means now we have to do subtract. Okay, so 76, 432 minus 23, 467. Okay, now again see the ones place. In ones place, upper side, ones place is 2 and downside is 7, and it is not possible 7 is subtract from 2. So what 2 is doing? 2 take help from 3 in tens place, and 3 is capable to do help. 3 gives 1 to 2. Now 3 minus 1 equals to 2, and 2 become 12. Okay, and 12 is greater than 7, and when we subtract 7 from 12, it become, after 7 you just count, move to 12 only. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much? 5. Means 12 minus 7 equals to 5. Now move to tens place. Which digit in tens place? 2. Why? Because tens help ones place. And downside is 6. Is 2 is capable? No. So 2 again help. Take help from 100 place. Which digit in 100 place? 4 in 100 place. Okay. So when tens place take help from 100 place, so how much in tens? 12, because here is 2, and when tens take help from 100 place, it become 12. 1 and 2, 12, and 12 is greater than 6. So how much? What is the difference? See, after 6 you just count, and up to 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 6. Means 12 minus 6, 6. Now, which digit in 100 place? 3. Why? Because before help 100 place digit is 4 and after help 100 digit is 3. Okay, and upside is 3 and downside is 4. This is also not possible to subtract it. So 100 place also take help from 1000 place. And which digit is 1000 place? 6. And 6 is capable to take to do help. So 6 give from 1 to 100 place. Now 6 become 5 and 100 become 13, because right now here is 3 and 1 come from 1000 place. So 1 and 3, 13, and 13 is greater than 4. How much? See, after 4 you just count forward and up to 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 9. Means 13 minus 4, it become 9. Now move to which place? 1000 place. So which digit in 1000 place? 5 in 1000 place. Upside is 5 and downside is 3. Means 5 minus 3, it become 2. How? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much is left? 2 only. Okay. Now move to 10,000 place. Upside is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And downside is 2. So you just subtract 2. 1 and 2. How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my means 7 minus 2, it become 5. So you get a difference when we subtract 23,467 from 76,432. Answer become 52,965. Clear? Very good. Now next question. Next question of this practice time is: a machine on average manufactures 2,825. Here is only 4 digits. Okay, and in 4 digit 1 comma, and you all knows in 1 comma means 2 period, and after 1 comma only a single digit, and that digit is 2. So where is 2? 2 in 1000 place means 2000, and before 1000 3 digits, that is 825. How we can read 825? 825 means 2825 screw a day. So how many screw did it produce in the month of January 2006? Okay, means there is a manufacturing company and there is a machine who manufactured average. How much the average? 2825 what? Screw in a day. How much machine manufactured screw in a day? 2825. And how much it produced in the month of January 2006? This you have to tell. Okay, very good. So students, this is the solution time of this question. So as you all knows, machine manufactured how many screw? 2825 in a day. And in which month? We have to find out the total screw produced or manufactured in which month? January. So first of all, you knows about how many days in the month of January. Yes, I know that you all knows how many days in a month of January, 31 days. So in one day, machine manufactured 2825. So in 31 days, what you have to do? Yes, you have to multiply. Okay, so first you write down 2,825. Now multiply 31. Okay, see, in one side which digit? 1, and in 10 side which digit? 3. Okay, see, when 1 is multiplied by 5, it becomes 5. When 1 is multiplied by 2, it becomes 2. When 1 is multiplied by 8, it becomes 8. And when 1 is multiplied by 2, it becomes 2. Now, second digit. Second digit is 3. 3 in which side? 3 in 10 side. Means you have to multiply by 30. You have to multiply by 30. See, 30, sorry. So 30 means 3 and 0, 30. So you just put in one side what? 0, because 3 and 0, 30. So you just put 0 below one side. So which digit in one side? 5. So you just put 0 below 5. Okay, now you just multiply 3 by upper side of number, means 3 multiplied by 5, 3 5 15. So in 10 side 15. How we write 15? No, just write on 5, 1 is carry. Okay, now 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, and 6 plus carry, how much is carry? 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. Now where is 7? 7 in 100 place. Okay, now 3 multiplied by 4 means 3 8 ja 24. So 2 carry and 4 we have to put where? 2 in 1000 place. Okay, not 2, 4 in 1000 place, because 2 only carry. Okay, now 3 2 ja 6, and how much is carry? 2. So 6 plus 2, 8. Where we have to put 8? 8 in 10,000 place. And when we add both the digit, upper side is 2825 and downside is 84750. Okay, now we add both the digit, means starting from right hand side. So 5 plus 0 equals to 5. Now second is upper side is 2 and downside is 5. 2 plus 5, 2, 1 2. Now 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So total is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 2 plus 5, 7. Now third, upper side is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and downside is 7. So now you have to count forward from 8 up to 7. See, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, 7 times only. Okay, so 8 plus 7, 15. Shall we write down 15? No, we just write down 5 only, because 1 is carry and this carry moved to 1000 place. So now 1000 side 3 digit, what are they? 1 as a carry, 2 and 4. So 1 plus 2, 1. Now 2, 1 2 and 4, 1 2 3 4. So total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now move to 10,000 place. Upper side is nothing and downside is 8. So 8 plus 0 equals to 8. So it's mean when we multiply 2825 multiply by 13, the answer comes 87575, means 87,575. that much screw produced in the month of January 2006. Clear it? Enjoy? Very good. Now student, this is the 7th question of this exercise, and question is that a merchant had rupees 78,592. So in this digit 1 comma, and you all know in 1 comma means 2 period, and just after 1 comma means how many digits? 2 digits. Means which 2 digits? 7 and 8. 7 and 8, 78. So 78 in which period? 78,000. Okay, so 78,000, and before 1000 3 digits. What are they? 592. How we can read 592? 592. So a merchant had how many rupees? 78,592 with her. Okay. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio set at rupees 1200. 1200 means 1,200. That is 1200 each. The cost of one radio is 1200, and she want to purchasing 40 radio set. Okay, so what we have to do, you all understand? Very good. See the question first. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So now you understand how many question comes in this question. How many parts of question comes in this question? Yes, here is 2 parts. First, you have to find out what she wants to purchase and how much the cost of purchasing the radio set. And after that, whatever the money she have, you just subtract from that money whatever she had. Okay, this you have to do in this question. Clear it? Now the solution. As I already described about this question, that merchant had 78,592 rupees with her, and first she want to purchase what? Radio. How many set? 40 set. And what is the cost of one set? 1200 rupees. So total, when she purchased 40 set, how much is rupees? Means 1200 multiplied by 40. See, now first multiply by 0 to upper side. Upper side is 4 figure, means 0 multiplied by 0, 0. Again 0 multiplied by second 0, again 0. Now 0 multiplied by 2, it become also 0. And 0 multiplied by 1, it become also 0. And in 10 side, which digit? 4. So 4 in 10 side means 40. So how we can write 40? 40. So here also you put 0 in one's place. Upper side is also 0. Now put also downside is 0. Now you just multiply 4 multiplied by upper side. Upper side, once digit is 0 means 4 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. Where we put 0? 0 in tens place. Now second number is also 0. When 4 multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. Where we put 0? 0 in 100 place. Okay. Now 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Where we put 8? 8 in 1000 place. Okay. And when 4 multiplied by 1, it becomes 4. This 4 where? In 10,000 place. It's mean when we add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, and upper side is nothing, and downside is 4, means again 0 plus 4 equals to 4. So when we multiply 1200 multiplied by 40, it become 48,000, that is 48,000. How much money? 48,000. Clear it? Now second part comes. In this second part, she had how much money? 78,592. And now she paid how much? 48,000. So how much is left with her? It is very easy. First you write down the bigger number, that is 78,592. Subtract. Now write down the downside that she paid, that is 48,000. Now again started from one side, means 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 0, 5, and 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 equals to 0, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So how much money is left with her after payment? That is 30,592, or 30,592 money is left with her. Okay, clear it? Understand? Enjoying? Very good. Now the activity time. So in this activity I will give two questions. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? In this question is asked that student multiply 7236 by which number? 65, and actually multiply by which number? 56, but wrongly multiply by 65. So how much this answer is greater? So first you multiply by 65 and then multiply by 56, and then you have to find out how much is the difference. Okay, this you have to find out. Now second question, to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed to stitch a shirt? 2 meter 15 centimeter. Out of 40 meter cloth, how much? Out of 40 meter cloth, how much shirt can be stitched, and by how much cloth will remain? Means you have 40 meter cloth. So first of all, what you have to do? You convert meter into centimeter. Okay, and then it is very easy to find out how. This question related with division. This question related with division method. Means you have to divide. So first you convert meter into centimeters, then it is very easy to divide. Okay, because you have 40 meters. 40 meter means how many centimeter? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. That is 40 into 100, that is 4,000. And in one shirt 2 meter means 2 into 100, that is 200, and plus 15, 215. So you have to divide 4,000 by 215 and you get the correct answer. Okay, do it by your own self and practice all the questions as many times as you can. Okay, goodbye.